This is the video tutorial that will help you to remove the ransomware called V, and this ransomware is from the ransomware family. My video is solely for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware. I am not promoting it. In my video, I will just show you the damaging effect of this ransomware. So you have just clearly seen that before the ransomware's attack, you were able to open the files without any troubles, any complications, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documentation, and all other data. Regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware called V may be very easily injected into the system. So very soon people realize that they can no longer access their data because the ransomware encrypts files and damages the files considerably. And so these are the consequences of the ransomware's attack. The ransomware appends this V extension to the file names, and also it shows this ransom note telling that all your files have been encrypted. The ransomware tells the victims to pay the ransom, but paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money. What I recommend you to do is to scan your system with the help of reliable antivirus application, and I recommend you to use combo Cleaner Antivirus for this goal. By the way, to get Combo Cleaner, you will need to use your Internet Explorer browser, because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts could also be damaged by this ransomware. So you need to go to the page combocleaner.com. Combocleaner.com. You will need to go to this page. Then you will need to download the software, install it, and then start researching your computer. After you start Combo Cleaner, the application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of all possible threats that could be on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system, and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Combo Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups. Combo Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues. And definitely, what is exceptionally valuable, Combo Cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use Combo Cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.